Hello, my name's Claire and I'm here to help you get better at ballet. Have you been struggling with your grade 4 centre practice? It can be a tricky one, but once it's in there, once it's in your body, both your arms and your legs together, it can really stay there and settle in. But you've got to take that time to get everything put in as a single unit so that you move in one movement with each section. It's the releve section that's the trickiest bit because you're coordinating arms and legs and it's happening quite quickly, so you don't have time to think about it. One way to help you is I like to think of it as almost as though you were preparing for a pirouette from 5th position, because you're preparing your arms, you're doing a releve with your arms in first, and then they're going to 3rd as you do an initial releve to get the feel for it. And imagine you are then going to go into 1st and do a pirouette, land with the leg behind you, and then open your arms a second. This is a bit narrow, so I know you'll lose my hands here. So that's the best way to think of it. For me, that immediately makes sense, because if I was going to do a pirouette that way, that would be the arm that's closing. So it totally makes sense. The other thing that's slightly different is that we start the beginning with our leg out dégagé devant, which means that we're coming in, we're closing on the 1 on each beat. It's in and, yes, which makes it a slightly different rhythm. But that's again really good for your brain because it's showing you that you can do your tendus on different rhythms, accenting different parts of the beat or the bar. Okay, and again, that translates into your allegro sequences where you will be dancing on slightly different rhythms each time. So I am going to show you, first of all, I'm going to show you a little exercise just to get the arms right. I do recommend getting the arms right first, then working on the legs, because we often focus on the legs and the arms get added as an afterthought. And in this exercise particularly, it's really good to have the arms nailed. I thought I'd come to the studio to show you the actual dance bit because it got a little bit squished back at home. I wasn't really happy with the final results. I also had to change my top, so terrible continuity today. So just to get the arms going, remember I said I always like to do the arms first. I'll mirror you, so you put your right leg in front. It goes 1st, 3rd, 1st, 2nd, and just get that ingrained. 1st, 3rd, 1st, 2nd. No extra flappy bits, no through bra bar, really neat and tidy. And then when you add the legs go 5th, releve devant, releve passé derrière, and stretch. Sorry, you'll hear some clunking on the microphone in that bit. And then we put it together. Yum, bum, 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 bum. Okay, stretch my knees. Now I'm going to do it with my back to you so that you can dance along with me and help yourself. So remember, the port de bras, which you've done just before this, starts dégagé devant with your left leg, and this starts dégagé devant with your right leg. So here we go. Hopefully that helps you. Do let me know if you enjoy that, if that helps you get your centre practice right. Remember, this is for the RAD, Royal Academy of Dance, centre practice exercise in grade 4. Ooh, it's gone on to the adage. The adage is actually already up there for you, so if you want to look at that one, you can. Just click the link there. I hope that helps. If you want to dance with me, I have a bonus class. If you click the link below, you can get taken to a page where you can sign up for my bonus online ballet class and try it there and then if you fancy. And hopefully you'll get to see what it's like to do a ballet class with me. If you like this video, please click the like button, let others know you like it. Follow me for more and let your friends know about me so that they can get better at ballet as well. Remember, this is for the RAD, the Royal Academy of Dance, grade 4 exercise. So yeah, please don't be confused if you use a different system. Please bear in mind that every exercise in the children's grades can use two different pieces of music. So whilst you might not have heard this piece of music before, it is one of the set pieces of music. You might be using the other piece, the rhythm, everything will still work the same for that piece of music. So I hope that helps you. Let me know in the comments below if it helps you. If you have any more questions, also let me know. I'll be happy to help. Take care. See you later. Bye.